The item that I chose to talk about is my mini urn of my Nana's ashes. This means a lot to me because my Nana was like a mother to me, and while she can't physically be here anymore, having this urn with some of her ashes keeps her close to me. The history of cremation and urns can be found on the Cremation Association's website. According to them, cremation starts back in the early Stone Age. It slowly gained more popularity as the time went on. It was very popular with the Greeks and the Romans, but as Christianity became more prevalent, cremation became less popular as they considered it pagan. Cremation as we know it now became popular about a century ago. The first crematory in North America was built in Washington, PA. By 1913, when the Cremation Association was founded, there were 52 crematories in North America. Now, most recently, in 2009, the number of crematories were over 2,100, with around 36% of funeral arrangements being handled by cremation.